First, open Google Chrome and click on the three dots at the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, go to Settings. Now, on the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Next, click on Site Settings. This is where you control what access websites have to your camera and mic. To enable your webcam, scroll down and click on Camera. Here, make sure the toggle is set to Sites can ask to use your camera. Below that, you'll also see a drop-down menu where you can choose the camera you want to use, for example, your laptop's built-in webcam or an external one. Once that's done, go back and select Microphone. Again, make sure it's set to Sites can ask to use your microphone. Choose the microphone you prefer from the list. It could be your computer's mic or an external mic you've connected. That's it. Now whenever a website like Zoom, Google Meet, or any online recording tool needs access to your webcam or microphone, Chrome will ask for your permission, and everything will work smoothly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.